Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Atlantic City on the marina side, or the bay side as some people call it. We're going to check out a room here at the Golden Nugget in Atlantic City. The Golden Nugget is probably one of my least visited Atlantic City properties. It's not a place that I really care for that much. I do have to say that the deck bar out on the marina in the summertime is a great place to hang out. Great live music and great drinks, and a great crowd shows up there, and of course you have that whole yacht atmosphere. But other than that, not one of my favorite hotels and casinos here in Atlantic City. But I haven't stayed here in years, and I really wanted to check out what the rooms were like. So here I am, the last hotel and casino in Atlantic City that I'm going to do a room tour of. I visited all the others this year. What was my experience like? Stay tuned. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to none other than Wise Malik, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in my latest Las Vegas video, The Encore. Congratulations, Wise Malik, once again. This Etch-a-Sketch rug kind of reminds me of Bally's on the boardwalk. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting dizzy walking down this long hallway. It seems like the paint, wallpaper, carpet, and art was picked out by 4 different people who had no idea what the other person was up to. And that's a shame because everything looks new here. It's just that a little more coordination and thought would have made this a lot more nicer. I think the only straight lines in this hallway is the black edging on the carpet. And don't get me wrong, like I said, everything here seems new and it's certainly clean. I just hope my room has 1 theme instead of 4 so I can get a good night's sleep. But I'm sure the designer loves it as he or she should, and I'm sure whoever approved it and signed off on it is now saying, "Would you like fries with that?" So here we are, room 1615, my home away from home for the evening. Let's check out the room, we'll check out the view, we'll check out the decor, fingers crossed, as well as the cleanliness. So you guys know I pretty much don't talk or commentate during a room tour. I don't go around saying this is the toilet bowl, this is the safe, this is a drawer, this is what the bed looks like. I pretty much let the room speak for itself. But before we get started on this tour, I just wanted to say I was pleasantly surprised. The Golden Nugget really surprised me with this room. It was clean. Nothing was really worn down. The decor was nice considering what the hallway looks like. And I really enjoyed my stay here. Let's take a look around. So is it me, or does Mario Lopez go on every vacation I go on? If you travel, you know what I'm talking about. He's always there on the television. Someday when I'm long gone, I have a feeling that Mario Lopez is gonna greet me in that big resort in the sky. Anyway, I couldn't appreciate my view last night because it was obviously dark out, but now that I'm up in the morning here, I can see I have a nice view of the marina, the Borgata Harrah's, the Golden Nugget pool deck, which is right below us, which is a very popular pool deck here in Atlantic City, by the way. But right now I'm off to the Borgata for their buffet lunch, which will be a video coming up shortly. Let me know what you guys thought of the Golden Nugget. I really liked the room. It really was a standout here at the Golden Nugget. It's one of the least expensive properties here in Atlantic City, and in the summertime, with that deck bar, it's really a good value. I'll be back. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.